Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to disable unwanted notifications in Windows. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now to turn on notifications, on the bottom right you'll find this notification icon. Just click on this and you'll head on to this interface. Now over the top right you'll find this manage notifications. Click on this and you will land over here, notification and actions. You can see here is notifications. Get notification from apps and other senders. You can see this is turned on. You can just turn this off and all the notifications are gonna be turned off. But if you want to turn off notification only for few apps, you can just scroll and find them and just tap on this toggle switch. And you can see we can just turn off notification from specific apps. So in this way we can turn off notifications on Windows. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.